You're practicing your hammer-on and pull-off techniques, but you feel that it's not sounding good, or you want to learn to do these techniques. So today I will show you the right way to practice hammer-on and pull-off. Stay tuned. Hey everybody, I'm Everton Zaquini, and today I'm gonna show you how to practice these techniques, hammer-on and pull-off, the right way, with some tips for you to start to get a better sound when you're using these techniques. But before we start, it's really important that you subscribe to the channel and ring the bell. With this, you'll be helping me to help you become a better guitar player and a better musician. So hammer-on and pull-off are what we call legato technique, where we just stroke one note and the other ones we just hit with our fingers. Now let's see what's the right way to do these techniques, because a lot of people, when they are starting to practice these techniques, the sound is a little bit weak. So what we need to do is to get a good sound, a strong sound. Alright, so let's start with the hammer-on. So the hammer-on, I will be doing the first part here on string 6, fret 5, fingers 1 and 2, okay? I will press with my finger 1, I will stroke the note, and with my finger 2, I will throw my finger. So this is really important. This movement here is really important to get the sound of the hammer-on. A lot of students, when they are starting to learn this technique, what they do is this. The finger is close to the fret and close to the string and put a lot of force here, right? But this is not enough to get the good sound. So what we need to do the right way is you pull your finger here and throw your finger to the string, okay? I won't pick the string, I'll do just the hammer-on. And this way, I get a better sound. Just pick your finger 1, throw your finger. So at this way, you don't need to do a lot of effort. You just throw your finger and you need to aim your string 6. So your target here is your string, throw your finger. So you need aim and throwing movement. Start doing this once in each string. And then you start to practice to build strength on your hand, but the more important than strength is your movement, okay? Get the right technique. The other thing that is important is the position of your fingering hand. So keep straight here. If it's a little bit curved here, the movement will be limited. You need your hand straight here to get this movement right. Practice with finger 1 and 2, then 1 and 3. And finger 1 and 4. Also, a good way to practice is with the clean guitar or even without volume to make your hand become stronger. Now, let's move on here. So the next technique is pull-off. So let's see the right way to do pull-offs. So we need to literally pull off your finger. Now, there's two mistakes that is common to find on students. One is when they are playing this note here, the finger is outside from the fretboard, and do this. So the sound will be weak. The next mistake that happens is usually just take off the finger, just pull the finger. And this way, you also won't get a good sound from your note here that are pressing the next note. So the next note needs to sound like this. Loud. How do you do this sound loud? You need to, when you get your pull off, you pluck the string. Okay? Pluck the string. Being careful to not bend the string. This is another thing that happens. A lot of students pull down the string. No, keep your finger 1 pressing the string here, and then when you pull, don't move the string and pluck with finger 3. A little bit slower. Now let's do this once in each string. Let's do with fingers 1 and 2 first. Fingers 1 and 3. And fingers 1 and 4. The sound of this technique, almost like we are doing strokes with the guitar pick. Right? Alright, on scale, let's start with a pentatonic scale, 2 notes in each string. If you don't know the pentatonic scale, you can check here on this video. I teach all the 5 patterns of the pentatonic scale. So let's just go through the pentatonic, picking all the notes. Now I will play this first pattern of A minor pentatonic only with hammer-ons. When you do the hammer-on, just be careful not to throw too fast your finger, because it needs to be on the beat. So if it's play like with 8 notes, ta 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 ta, 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and so make sure that your finger are not too fast. Keep the tempo. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and okay. Pull off, same thing. So now I will play the pentatonic with pull offs. Make sure that you're not playing too fast, like you need to play right on the tempo. So let's do 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Next time you can get major scale. So if you know the major scale, 3 notes in each string. G major, so 3 notes in each string. So you can start playing with hammer-on. Then you do the pull-off. Practice these techniques to get a good sound, to get it right, and then you start to use this on your solos and on your music. That's it, guys. If you like the video, hit the like button and leave a comment here which technique do you prefer to use, if it's legato or if it's picking techniques, or leave a comment and share with me if you find it easy to play with legato or it's more difficult for you. I want to hear from you, okay? So thanks for watching, see ya!